Who are nature's master builders? The beaver constructs some of the most impressive structures in the animal kingdom. Today, we explore the engineering marvels of beaver dams, uncovering their sophisticated design and vital purpose. Beavers meticulously select branches, mud, and rocks. They interlace sticks, packing them with mud for a strong, watertight barrier. Their powerful teeth precisely fell trees for all building materials. These dams create deep, calm ponds, vital for survival. The water protects their lodge entrances from predators. They also form essential wetlands, supporting diverse ecosystems. A single dam can span hundreds of feet, lasting decades with constant repairs. Beavers continuously maintain their structures, showcasing remarkable dedication. Some even build complex canals for transporting materials. From ingenious design to profound ecological impact, beaver dams are truly natural brilliance. They reshape entire environments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wonders of the natural world.